No.
Where are you, Cory?
It's a pep rally of sorts, Renee.
Okay.
We're at about 43rd Avenue and Bell at Padre Murphy's. By the way, who loves Padre Murphy's? That's what I thought. Yeah, we've got a lot of friends out here to celebrate Tom Boyle's amazing accomplishment. He and his wife, 25 years here at this location.
13th,
yeah,
October
congratulations 13th. On that.
Thank you,
well, you've
Cory.
made a lot of friends here, and thanks for bringing them all out for us. You could have been doing anything 25 years ago. What made you decide on opening Padre Murphy's?
Well, in the restaurant business for all my life, and
Yes.
I thought that this would be a great location, and we actually named this after a Catholic priest from upstate New York.
Oh, of course you
He
did.
married my wife and I. So anyway,
love it. Well, take us on a little tour here, and then we're going to serve this up to all of your friends. By the way, start looking at whatever you're interested in, everyone. In fact, why don't you all get out of your seats, crowd around here, and then you can place your bets on our music. Yeah, come on over here close where we can see all your happy faces. What do we start with over here,
Okay, that's
Tom?
our Cobb salad, and we've got all the garnishment on it. We've got our cowboy burger. We've got our nachos.
Hold on, let's not rush through it. What's on the cowboy burger, by the way?
Boy, it's ground beef, and we've got chili, and we've got tomatoes, onions.
Is it an onion ring in there, too?
Yes, it is. It's a deep-fried onion ring.
Take that, ISIS. This is how we live.
That's it.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
And over here?
Corned beef. Oh, I'm sorry. I couldn't see where you were pointing. Yeah, that's our chicken Alfredo. Mm-hmm. And that's a big seller for us. We're very, very fortunate.
I do recognize the corned beef back there.
Mm-hmm. And then our wings, and we're good to go.
Gotcha. Everyone recognizes nachos. Let's start with our Irishman of the Year. There you are, friend. You look like you're not a stranger to nachos.
Thank you, Cory. Absolutely.
Why do you like this place?
Well,
you
let
can
me
hang
tell
out
you
anywhere.
something.
Okay, now it's a 5.5-hour show, but we're near the end. So
What?
we got about 30
I'm on a
seconds.
time limit?
Yeah, you are.
Here's the deal. You walk into places like this,
Yeah.
you never see the owners. You don't even know who the owners are. You walk into Padre Murphy's, not only do you see Tom and Peggy, you see them bussing tables. You see them right in the trenches with their employees.
Wow.
All their customers know them because they engage and interact.
Look
with
at him
their
complimenting you right in front of your face.
Too kind. Too kind.
Great place.
I love that. Well, you guys get together there. And everybody, come on up. Pick up something that you like. Have a seat, and we'll watch you eat next time we get together. It's all coming your way from all your friends at Padre Murphy's, celebrating 25 years on the West Side. We'll see you ladies again in just a couple of minutes.
That's the kind of place you want to go to.
Yes.
Where the owners are there hanging with you, too.
Right, that's so neat. I wonder if Cory's even going to bother coming back.
Oh, I think so.
Okay.
Maybe. He would miss the noon.
That's true.
That would be a travesty. Well, Cory is previewing a 25th anniversary party in Glendale, and he's having a grand old time.
Yeah, I mean, you can get 25-cent champagne and beer here.
Look at this place. Hey, Cor.
He's cooking.
In the kitchen.
You are going to love it out here, ladies. All the big fun is tomorrow night, but they've got a great night tonight coming up as well. We got a fish fry going. Steve Kinnison is with us. Steve, we got your clam chowder going, your marinara, your brown gravy. What's happening over here?
We have fresh cod every Friday.
Man, this is fantastic.
Fish and chips.
Fish and chips, indeed. And, of course, in England and Ireland, I don't know why they can't call their chips French fries. I guess it's the French thing. But, boy, you played up a beautiful... Oh, there we go. Seasoned it all up. And this is every Friday this happens, right? Oh, my gosh. That's fantastic. You are in the happiness business, Steve.
Yes.
Thank you so much. We really appreciate it. All right, and this is just an example of all of the rest of the fun we've got. Now we're going to head out into the restaurant. Tom Boyle is with us. Tom, 25 years and still going strong. Let's head out here and meet your friends. Give me an idea of what tomorrow night is going to be like. You got some real specials going on.
It's going to be wild. We're selling craft beer for 25 cents a glass. We've also got champagne, 25 cents a glass. That's in honor of the 25 years that we've been here.
25 cents a glass for
25
champagne?
cents.
You're giving it away.
That's true. That's true.
Wow, you've made a lot of great friends here on the West Side over the years. This is a really lovely way to say thank you to everybody.
It is.
You're going to make some new friends tomorrow, I
I
think.
hope so. I hope so.
What time should everybody show up?
We're going to start the festivities at 6:30 p.m. and then we're going to go all the way through the rest of the evening.
Very good. All right, well, say goodbye, everybody. Thanks for helping us out today, and thanks for all the fun. It happens every weekend. Come see us tomorrow night especially, but we're open tonight as well at Padre Murphy's, 43rd Ave and Bell. See you soon.